Well, I did receive a box today. The one I was expecting, but not the one I was hoping for. If you watched my previous video, I made an announcement that I'd ordered a new printer. This is not the new printer. It's for the new printer. Let's take a look at it. It's actually something I had not tried before. But a lot of people have been making claims that it's pretty good stuff. So I thought I'd give it a try. Adjust you up here just a little bit. It's a new printing, well, new to me, place. Definitely put some bubble wrap in it. I'll put it in 2 different boxes. And as you can see, it's from ZYLTech. And yes, it's filament. This is the yellow. Little print instruction sheets for temp and everything on it. Some bubble wrap inside the box. Inside the bubble wrap, you can clearly see it is airtight sealed. They vacuumed that down. Does have the little salt thing in there, or salt, water, moisture barrier. I don't know if that's needed as tight as they got this. 1 kilogram, 2.2 pounds, 1.75 millimeter. And that's the yellow. It's the color I was expecting it. It did match up with their website. I've never used it. I've been using another brand. Nothing wrong with that other brand. I've had completely successful prints with it. But it's a lot more expensive than this. But there's the yellow. Slide it over here. Box, you never know. You could use that for something. Instructions. There's another box in here. And it's a lot heavier. The other reason I went with this order is because they have a special. Buy 10 for a very special price. Now in my case I ordered 5 black, 5 ceramic white. That's 10 rolls. Five black, 5 white, for just over $100, including shipping. Most other places you're going to be spending at least $20 a roll. That'd be $200. This was half that. Shipment, I think it was like right at 4 days. This is the white. Let's take a look at it. It's got the same little description sheet for the filament. The same bubble wrap. And then the same airtight vacuum sealed bag here around it. And that would be the ceramic white. Hopefully my camera picks up that color pretty good for you. And that's white. I don't think you get much whiter than that. Yeah, save the box, never know. Might need it for something. Let's take a look at the black. Same information sheet. Same bubble wrap. Same vacuum baggie around it. And hopefully the black shows. It's actually pretty much the same color as the casing it's in. Now I'm not going to open it as yet. As I said, I have not received yet my new printer. still have my Delta, obviously. My new one's not here yet. Alright, so I cleaned up a little bit. Apparently didn't get all that trash. But I would kind of go over, because I haven't, made some changes, as you'll see here in a moment. Lift you up a little bit. Now we can get the full view of the changes. A Batman painting, my nice neighbors, the mess of cubes, printers, books, toys, and way up there somewhere is my quadcopters, Mardi Gras beads, don't ask how I got them, my current 3D printer, my laser, or no, inkjet printer, laser printer. Anyway, enough of that. The spot for my new printer, it's all cleaned up and ready to go for it. Hopefully it fits on there. According to the sizes and dimensions I got from it, it should pretty much fill that entire space. It's 24 inches, and that's a 24-inch ruler. So I should have room for it. Printer storage supplies and boxes, miscellaneous candy bars, paper towels. And we might have to move you back further. And then my work desk. More filament under there. I know those are bright, but my monitors, some more toys, and then more quadcopters, race car, and my production video equipment. That's where I do all my editing. And solder station. And more storage. And then you're looking at me. So back over to here. So I think my new printer set up there next to the Delta should be pretty nice. Kind of excited to get that. Put it together. Take it all apart. Make sure the power supply doesn't have anything weird in it. Make sure all the nuts and bolts and screws and everything's all tight and where they're supposed to be. Make sure nothing's missing. Put it back together a second time. Start doing the bed leveling, the printing. Get that all good. And then I'll definitely be videoing all this. So yeah, just thought I'd share. I got my new filaments in. Use it back down to those. Now definitely, as all my stuff, nobody is sponsoring. I paid for and ordered everything. And that's the ZYLTech Filiment. Go to their website. I'll put a link below. Their prices, I couldn't beat it. Wouldn't want to. And from everything I've seen in other people's reviews and everybody else using it, they say it works great. It's just regular PLA. They're all pretty much standard, you know, temps. So if you get PLA, you run it. Mine, I usually run at about 210. Now that's with a 5mm piece of glass. So depending on your glass, your bed fitment, your temps will be different. The Anycubic Chiron that I ordered, I believe was a 5mm bed. But we'll experiment with the temps, find out what works best for it. And even then, the nozzles are different. The heat cartridge is different, so we'll find out. But just a little teaser video for the upcoming prints to be. Thank you.